Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal business account for selling digital products, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Type paypal.com in the address bar and press enter. On the PayPal homepage, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner. Click on sign up. You will be presented with two account options, personal and business. Select the business account option. Click on the Get Started button. You will need to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you want to associate with your business account. Next, create a strong password and confirm it. Continue by clicking on the Continue button. You will be prompted to provide some basic information about your business. Fill out your business name. Enter your business phone number. Select your business address. Choose the type of business you are running from the drop-down menu. Make sure to include any other required details, such as your business website URL if you have one. After filling in the necessary information, click on the Continue button. Now, you will need to provide additional information about yourself. This includes your first and last name along with your date of birth. Enter your home address and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Click Continue to proceed. PayPal may ask for some verification details. Follow the prompts to complete these verification steps. Review all the information you have provided for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Agree and Create Account button to establish your PayPal business account. You will be redirected to your new PayPal dashboard. From here, it's essential to connect your bank account or credit card. Locate the option labeled Link a Bank Account or Card. Follow the instructions to add your financial information securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.